my name is Ambrazia. Welcome back to Veggie Community Partnership's Teaching Kitchen. And today we're making Hearty Minestrone Stew. And our focus is going to be mise en place, which is this French term that means everything in its place. So I've prepped everything so that it's a lot easier. So first, I'm going to talk about the equipment that we have here. We have a can opener that we use to do our beans and tomatoes, measuring spoons for spices, we have our knife, our cutting board, a vegetable peeler, spoon, and now to our ingredients. The great thing about mise en place is that it's really making it easier for you to be an amazing chef in your kitchen. So you don't also burn anything and like lose concentration because you have to run over and chop something. It's all ready for me. So I have my spices here. I have my oregano, basil, black pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes, already pre-measured, which is making it easier for me later. I have my pasta. Today, the recipe says spinach, but we're using kale because that's what we have. And that's the great thing about, prepping and everything. I kind of looked at my freezer. I didn't have spinach, but I had some kale in the fridge, so that's what I'm gonna use. I've already diced up my mushrooms. I have apple cider vinegar, my can of tomatoes, olive oil, and my veggie broth. And then here I have my onions, celery, and carrot already diced, ready to go. And I have my beans, which I have already drained and rinsed, and my garlic already chopped. Now we're ready to get cooking. All right, so now we have our olive oil in the pan. We have our mirepoix here, which is simply carrot, celery, and onion. And this is a French term that just really is the base of flavor. So this means if you are starting your soup, stew, or anything with this, you're on the road to success. We're gonna add this in and cook it for about 5 minutes. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. Our onions are getting a little translucent, so now we're gonna add in our mushrooms. We're gonna add in our minced garlic and our kale, which you can use spinach or whatever green you have on hand. Now we have this veggie broth. If you guys remember a couple videos ago, I think the last video, we have how to make your own veggie broth, and this is it right here. So you could use it in this recipe or really any recipe we have on our website that involves broth. It's a great way to add flavor and you don't have to buy it. So we have added everything in here. So now we're gonna bring this to a boil and I'll see you once it's boiling. All right, so our stew is boiling. We are going to now add our spices that we pre-measured, which is saving us so much time. We're adding in our apple cider vinegar, our drained and rinsed white beans, which you could use any beans you have, but these are great. Our dry pasta, and our diced canned tomatoes. All right, so now we're gonna stir this up and cook for about 10 minutes or until the noodles are cooked the way we want. All right, so our noodles are cooked, which means it's time to plate it up. I have my bowl and spoon here. Oh wow, this looks so good. Now you could garnish this with parsley, breadcrumbs, pesto. Really the options are endless. It's whatever you would like. You also can taste it, maybe add more red pepper flakes if you want a little spicier, or just eat it like this. That is good. Now you definitely need to check out the link in our bio for this veggie stock recipe and just check out our website for other videos like this. I'm gonna go eat this now. See you next time. Bye.